With the Taleo Adapt hydraulic ankle unit, the prosthetic foot can be positioned more naturally while sitting, and this provides enhanced socket comfort. Let the user place the foot in different positions to utilize the range of motion while sitting. Standing up with the ankle pushed against the dorsiflexion stop may feel easier for the user. Then have the user assume a standing position leaning against a wall, or as in this case, parallel bars. Next, push onto the heel to bring the Taleo Adapt into plantar flexion. Standing balance should be improved. Then begin walking by starting with the contralateral leg and pushing through the dorsiflexion resistance in the ankle.